Hello my friends, and in today's video we'll take a closer detailed look at this 2014 Audi A5 2-liter turbo. It is equipped with an electronic key and the remote keyless entry, so you can just keep your key in the pocket and push the unlock button on the handle. And as you already noticed, the windows are frameless. The driver's door utilizes controls for your power locks and power windows with one touchdown feature and 2-person memory settings. There are also outside heated mirrors. Driver's seat as well as the passenger, 8-way power adjustable. It also has 4-way lumbar support on both sides, and both front seats are heated. The design of the front panel is very similar to Audi A4. And as already mentioned, it is not S5 with 3-liter engine, it is just a regular 2-liter turbo, but it has a few features that belong to S line, like the steering wheel. It is sports steering wheel with the cut bottom. And now let's get a key and try to start it up. It is an electronic key and push button start. The gauge cluster setup is pretty simple for the car of this class, with the speedometer on the right and the tachometer on the left and the driver's information display in the middle. And the steering wheel is 3-spoke, leather-wrapped. It has the cut bottom with the S-line badge on the bottom. And then on the left you have the controls for your driver's information display, and on the right your voice and audio controls.
Navigation is not active.
The central console display of the multimedia system has the same interface as in all Audis. It includes AM, FM and Sirius XM radio, navigation, and the interface to connect to your smartphone. It uses Google Maps and Google Street View as its base for the navigation, so it is very detailed and informative. And cycle settings also can be programmed through the system using the wheel knob on the central console. It also displays the rear view from the camera when you set the shift knob in reverse. And the main part of the central console is the shift knob of the 8-speed automatic transmission. It has manual mode with pedal shifters on the steering wheel. The glove compartment is padded and it is lockable. S-line specific sport seats, they are leather wrapped with Alcantara seating part. And here below in the middle console you will find your automatic tri-zone climate control. And also temperature controls for your heated seats are in the same area. Little middle console storage, where it is padded with the 12-volt power outlet. And this is it for the driver's seat. Now let's open the hood and check out the engine. And the engine here is 2-liter turbo TFSI that produces 220 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. MPGs are 20 in the city and 29 highway. Now the wheels, they're also a part of the S-Line competition package. It is 19-inch aluminum alloys with titanium finish. I also didn't mention it is quattro permanent 4-wheel drive with 40-60 split torque. So 60% goes on the back and 40 in front. And now I'm sitting on the rear seat, and I don't really expect a lot of leg room here because it is coupe, and so judge by the seat on the right, this is how much leg room you would have. And finally, let's check out the trunk. And the trunk release button is located on the driver's door. It is pretty good size for a coupe, plus you have 40/60 split collapsible back seat, and under the floor you will find a compact size spare tire. And as a part of the S-Line competition package, it has sport stiffened lightweight suspension. It is independent on front and back. Alright guys, that was my short tour of this 2014 Audi A5. I hope you enjoyed this video. And having this hobby, posting car tours and reviews on my YouTube channel, this is what I'm working on right now. It is the 2012 Infiniti M56, and I will upload this video in the next few days, but for now check out the playlist I've created on my YouTube channel. There you can find all of my 2013, 2014 car tours and reviews, cars from 90s, as well as the classic cars, trucks and concepts and movie cars. So check it out and see you next time.